Copy that.
Hello friends, this is Ruby. Welcome to my video. Today, I'm gonna talk about the car repair machine. This machine is a device especially used for repairing the appearance of cars, so it also called the shaping machine. It can easily pull out the dents on the metal sheet, and also can stretch out the welding gasket, welding nails, screws, start shape the welding sheets, and other operations. Thanks for watching. Just let me know what other auto repair equipment you want to know. I will share with you next time.